This 2024 Forest River Vibe 28RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 34 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, air conditioning, external shower, LP detector, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, TV, refrigerator, leveling jacks, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Vibe 28RL is 7,096 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.